cornettos here. A lot of people there. This is what I got.
A 40. Perché altre generazioni non... Però più forte sono in Italia. Io ho visto degli altri colleghi, tipo di un New York, parla solamente...
Hi, I'm in front of a pit stop in Italy. And it was really nice, and it's really big actually, and they have a shop upstairs with even like clothes and makeup, so it's quite a fancy pit stop. And me and Enrico are going with a few other people to Bologna, and then later we're going to separate from those people, but then we're going to get back together again. Actually, there's a basketball game there, and I don't know, we'll see what's in Bologna. This is the restaurant we're in now in Bologna. There are a lot of people here that are Bologna, but I'm not going to show you who they are, but basketball. And we're in a typical restaurant which sells, you know, all the famous foods, that sells all the famous foods which has everything that Bologna has, I guess, to offer, like, you know, the typical Bolognese foods, like Lambrusco wine, Parmigiano Reggiano is from here. So Bologna was an Etruscan city or town which later became a Roman colony, and you know the story after that, probably. So yeah, there's a lot of history here and very old history here. So yeah, I look forward to filming.
Everything here, we're in Bologna.
I'm in the connections now. You know, bologna in America can get cold cut that we call bologna, which is wrong because we should be calling it mortadella. Bologna is very famous for mortadella, and Bologna is really famous for tortellini, tagliatella, and all like the typical foods that you think are Italian that you can get in Italian restaurants in Canada and America. Most of those are from Bologna, Italy. This is cheese, squarcherone, and this is like salame but mashed up. And lard. Con la pane mangia lard. And they're taking these a plate of like carciofi, which is artichokes, vegetables, onions, all kinds of different things. Also, it's usually with olive oil and vinegar. Squaccherone, it's so difficult to pronounce. It's a very creamy cheese. Something similar or very good in it is stracchino. Stracchino or squaccherone is quite similar. This is a creamier and probably full-fat version of stracchino. That's what I find it. Now I'm going to try some of the lard, and this is just for you, okay? Because otherwise that would... It's just like salami, but really fatty. Like really, it just tastes like a more fattier salami or salami. Interesting. Very interesting. People are watching me. Okay, we've got prosciutto, salame. This is called tigelle. But and I got my mezzaluna di zucca. Mezzaluna di zucca.
Buon appetito, spero di vincere.
Buon appetito. Everybody's eating now. This is mortadella, but what we call bologna. So you have to cut this in half, you break it, and you put the stuff inside and eat it. This one too, you put the stuff, cut this in half, and then you can put the vegetables or meat or whatever inside here. I tried the mezzaluna, which is really good as well. We have this Nutella. Enrico. Nutella. Io non guardo.
Apri la tigella, chiudi.
Si mangia.
Facciamo sparire.
E anche fare per me, no, questi per me. Grazie. As well as for me, I stole it from her. The tigelle are good. And I would order, the zucca was good. Tortellini was not good. The other things were good. So that's what I recommend here. Oh, I should try the Nutella. It's like toasted. And Nutella, really. It's not that different from toasted Nutella. Maybe the bread is more softer on the inside. At the moment, I'm drinking this. This is called limoncello. It's a lemon made with real lemons, but it's very sweet. And it's a sugary kind of grappa or alcohol, liquor. It's basically a liquor. So this one is very sweet and nice. And then there's this one that I just showed you. It's called the Vecchio Amaro del Capo. And that one is really good. So if you like liquor and you like grappa, Italian liquor is called grappa. This one is the del Capo, Amaro del Capo. It's really nice. It's called a digestive here. So basically, in Italian culture, after eating, they drink alcohol and they call it a digestivo, which means it helps you to digest. Whether it helps you to actually digest or not, I don't know. Because I don't know if there's actual science behind that. But whatever.